Can virtual reality redefine how justice is delivered in courtrooms? Florida court breaks new ground, VR simulation admitted as evidence. In a landmark decision that could set a precedent for the legal world, a Florida judge has allowed the use of virtual reality, VR technology, as evidence in a criminal case. For the first time in the United States, a court utilized VR to recreate an alleged crime from the defendant's perspective. Miguel Albizu, the owner of a wedding venue in Florida, faces charges of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon after allegedly brandishing a gun at intoxicated guests during a 2023 altercation. The incident reportedly unfolded after Albizu's wife and son were attacked at the venue, with his wife sustaining an injury to her wrist. Albizu claims his actions were in self-defense under Florida's Stand Your Ground laws. VR brings the defendant's perspective to the courtroom. To support Albizu's defense, attorney Ken Padowitz commissioned a VR simulation of the incident designed for the Oculus Quest 2 headset. Broward County Judge Andrew Siegel permitted the simulation during a pretrial hearing, allowing the judge, prosecutors, and witnesses to experience the event through Albizu's eyes. We were able to show the judge what my client faced, surrounded by intoxicated and aggressive partygoers, Padowitz explained to WPLG. He felt the need to defend himself, his family, and his property. News footage from December captured the moment the court observed the simulation, a step that highlights the potential of immersive technology in legal proceedings. A legal and technological milestone. While animated simulations have been used in court before, this marks the first instance of VR being introduced as evidence in a criminal case. Padowitz, who previously pioneered the use of animation in courtrooms as a prosecutor in 1992, emphasized how much technology has evolved since then. This time, we've not only presented a computer animation, but also brought it to life with virtual reality, Padowitz said. The VR simulation serves as a pivotal piece of evidence to argue that Albizu's actions were a direct response to a perceived threat. However, the judge will decide whether the case will proceed to a jury trial or be dismissed entirely. The use of VR in this case has sparked discussions about its broader implications for the legal system. By providing an interactive and immersive way to present evidence, VR could revolutionize courtroom proceedings, offering greater clarity and context. Judge Siegel's decision on whether the trial moves forward is expected in the coming weeks, with jury proceedings slated for February if the case is not dismissed. This groundbreaking case illustrates how emerging technologies like VR can enhance transparency and fairness in legal processes. While challenges remain regarding the ethical use of such tools, the potential for VR to make justice more accessible and comprehensive is undeniable.